Hi, this is Dustin, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a widget and also a bot flow. So a widget is just a container for your pretty much your chat window that you put the chat button on your website. And the bot flow is basically the logic behind that widget. How should the chat interaction work? So first thing you want to do is make sure you create that widget, go to the widget section, and click new, and then follow these steps where we want to create a live chat widget. I would pick the general channel for now. Basically, channels are like departments, and create this widget. And I'll just name it homepage. And then the other videos show how to customize this widget. I won't get into that too much, but just wanted to show you how to create that widget. And after you create the widget or the container of that your chat, you want to go to the bots. And here is where we can create a new bot flow. We want to create a website bot. We can either create it from scratch or from a template. But since you're coming from Website Alive, we created a template for you that kind of gets you started with the live chat flow. So pick the template and then go to support as a category, pick the basic live chat, and it's a simple live chat flow which asks the visitor for their details such as the name, email, phone number, and connects the agent, connects the visitor to the agent to start a live chat. If there's no agents available, this goes to the offline flow to complete the chat session. And there also includes a post-chat survey. So click use this bot, and we'll also name the bot name to homepage to kind of match the widget. So you can easily see which bot flow is connected to which widget. Create the bot flow here, and it will automatically build you this flow. Okay, so now let's take a look at the flow that we just created. So this is a different system than Website Alive, where Website Alive was pretty much based on forms. Alive 5 has a bot builder type of system, which allows you really a lot of possibilities, really infinite possibilities in terms of how, what your use case is. Is it for support? Is it automation? Do you want to connect to, a human team to complete the chat? So this example, this template is designed just for Website Live users, where it's for live chat. And there's each of these nodes represents a type of bot. So you can see here, this is a greeting bot. The first bot that is triggered when they hit the chat window. So you see that. And then right after that, it connects to a question bot. So this question bot actually will trigger a question. And here, for example, to assist you further, we'll need some more information. Can I have your name? And it will save it into your contacts in Alive 5 as full name. So this will parse that information and save it into our backend contact section for that session. So then after the visitor answers this, you can say, may I have your email? And the same thing happens here, and it parses that and saves it into the email address. And then the phone number, same thing here. You can see that it saves it into the phone entry. And finally, we have just a general question, before you start the chat, we save it in the notes. And then this new type of bot here is called the agent bot. So this is where the routing for I would say the human agents happen. And here you could specify which channel you want to set up. So this is the default, meaning it uses the widget channel. So we created a widget for the general channel. So you can create multiple channels, one for sales, one for support. You might have different divisions in your company, also known as departments. So this is where you can specify for this visitor if they can pick, if they want to pick the default one, or they can pick billing. You can add additional ones for sales and support if you want. Okay, so in this example, sorry, let me go back to this. That's for your channels that you can pick for the agent bot. The next thing is the messages. So these are just default messages that happen when, the visitor is presented those channels. Please select the department. Auto greeting message is when the agent accepts a chat. This is an automatic message that shows up to the visitor. And also here's when the transfer of the chat is initiated. These are just default messages for that. And then when the transfer is completed, there is a greeting message as well. And here is a section for the timeout. So timeout's important, where you don't want the visitor to wait forever and not hear anything back if the agents aren't available to accept that chat. So the timeout's set at 3 minutes by default, but you can adjust it. 30 seconds is really short, but really 5 minutes is the longest. And you can have this message here, or you can actually create a custom flow. This is just a message if you don't create a flow. Sorry, we missed your chat. We'll get back to you. So to basically, let's talk about those flows now. So if you missed that chat, we actually have a special flow for that. It just says that our reps aren't available. Your request has submitted, and we'll get back to you. So meaning that if the agents do not accept that chat, we already have the information of the visitor, their name, email, and everything. So we will be able to send them to this offline flow and contact them later. Now, after the chat's over, there is a possibility of a post-chat flow. So the post-chat flow is, right after the chat is ended by the agent or the visitor, it routes to this flow where it's just a survey. How was your chat today? Excellent, average, or poor? So the first two excellent and average selections, if the visitors picked that, it just says, thank you for your feedback. Have a nice day. And if they pick poor, we have an alternate thing where it asks another question. Sorry to hear of your experience. Can you let us know how we can improve? And that gives an opportunity for the visitor to give us more feedback as to why that wasn't a good experience. And we save that into the notes entry. So the idea here is not set in stone where, you have to use this flow, but, this will get you off to a great start and build on top of it where say that you don't want to, ask for email. I don't need the email. I just want their name and I just want their phone number. So I disconnected the notes here. All you do is hover over the bot and then connect one to the next. So you're skipping this flow. It goes from the name to the phone number. Well, then maybe you don't want the phone number either. So you can just skip right over to the question. So there's just so many ways to modify it. And this visual bot builder is really no code. No code is required, no programming. It's easy to use by anybody. All you do is drag, drop, and connect and create new nodes as you need. But hopefully this gives you a really quick overview of how our bot builder system works. And, we can help you just schedule your call with us, with our team, with the migration. We can help you tweak your flow to match what you have in Website Live, or even rethink how you want to do things. Because things are a little bit different, actually very different, but it's really, really expands the possibilities of what you can achieve with a Live 5. Thank you.